The Parabola of the Pipeline. Author Brooke Hedges. You can become the millionaire next door. Dear readers, 100 years ago, it was virtually impossible for the average person to become a millionaire. Take a look at these lifestyle statistics at the turn of the 20th century. In 1900, the average wage in this country was 22 cents an hour. The average worker earned between 200 to $400 a year. Well, below the poverty line at the time. Only 6% of all Americans had graduated from high school. Life expectancy was 47 years old. Only 14% of the homes had a bathtub. There were 8,000 cars in the United States and only 144 miles of paved roads. Until WWI, the average American family spends 80% of their income on the basic necessities of food, shelter, and clothing. In a world 100 years ago, there were basically two economic classes, the rich and the rest. Only 1 in 10 family was upper class or middle class, which means that in 1900, 90% of the people in the US would have been classified as poor. Middle class still living paycheck to paycheck. Flash forward 100 years to 2001, the median family income today is $47,000. There are more cars in this country than people. Most families own at least two TVs. Life expectancy is 75. Today, average people have more than disposable income, more leisure time, and more career options than ever before. You most of the nation's 72 million families are still living from paycheck to paycheck. Take away equity in the family home, cars, and furniture, and the average family has zero asset. Zero. While family income is up, so is family debt and hours spent working. What's wrong with this picture? Are you plugged into the wrong system? What's wrong is that too many people have broke into the wrong plan. They are plugged into the wrong system and they lack a fundamental understanding of how wealth is created and accumulated. I am going to make a bold statement that may shock you, but it is absolutely equivocally true. Ready? The simple, unvarnished truth is that today becoming a millionaire is a matter of choice, not chance. That's right. Today, virtually anyone earning a middle class income can become a millionaire. Impossible? Not at all. Actually, it's really quite simple. If you want to become a millionaire today, all you need to do is follow these three simple steps. First one is understand how wealth is created and accumulated. Second, copycat proven system of wealth creation. Third, be consistent over time. That's it. That's all it takes for average people to accumulate $1 million in asset. Understanding, copying, and consistency. So, what you learn in this book? In this book, you will learn proven strategy that average people can follow to create true financial freedom for themselves and their families. These strategies are simple to follow and time tested, and they have created millions of millionaires over the last 50 years. Folks, becoming a millionaire is no longer a matter of good fortune or good luck. It's merely a matter of learning and following proven strategy for wealth creation. In the word of the best-selling book, The Millionaire Next Door, the large majority of the millionaires are not the descendants of the Rockefellers or Vanderbilts. More than 80% are ordinary people who have accumulated their wealth in one generation. Think about that. More than 80% of millionaires are ordinary people. This statistic proved what I said earlier. Today, becoming a millionaire is a matter of choice, not chance. My goal is writing the parabola of the pipeline is to teach you the strategy the wealth have used for centuries to create and accumulated wealth. These strategies were once reserved for the only privileged few. Even if you know this strategy back in 90s, most likely you would not have had the cash or the contacts to take advantage of them. That's not the case today. Today, by virtue of improved technology, an increase in middle class wage, and an innovative business model I call e-compounding, Virtually any middle class person with a high school education or above can leverage their money, time, and relationship to create personal and financial freedom. By following the strategy outlined in this book, you too can become a millionaire next door. Welcome to the neighborhood.